Gratuity Solutions presents Payday Portal, Tip Compliance Archive, Closed Day Tip Records, ready for audit. Months later, someone asks how a tip payout was calculated. The challenge is finding the records that prove the answer. Every closed day becomes one organized audit record, saved exactly as it was when the day closed. Each record brings together time punches, point-of-sale sales and tips, rule version, manager overrides, payout details, and payroll exports. Every answer traces back to its source: original data, rules, adjustments, payouts, and the plain English audit narrative. When finance, legal, payroll, or an auditor asks for proof, it becomes a date range and an export, not a spreadsheet scramble. Tip Compliance Archive by Gratuity Solutions. Every day's tip records, ready for audit.